Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you see from the title, is going to be an unboxing of my Stitchfix subscription. This is a clothing subscription and I received my box a couple of days ago. I did kind of open it so you won't see it in the little bundles, you know, like people like to show their little bundles. But I am going to share the items that I received in my box. But before we do that, I want you to hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's just jump on into this box. So the first thing is, and like I said, I already kind of opened it up, but on top they'll have like the envelope to return any items that you don't want, and then they'll have your invoice and your style card. And this is your style card. It has a note from your stylist, and then it gives you ideas on how to style the pieces that you receive in your box. Usually it's just like a casual look and then maybe a more dressier look. So that comes in there, and then here is your invoice. You receive 5 pieces of clothing. My total cost of my items came up to $282. If you were to purchase all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which takes off $70.50. Brings your subtotal to $211.50. Then they also subtract your styling credit, which is $20. Shipping is free, so brings your total to $191.50 if you purchase all of the items. So I'm going to sit that right there, and we're going to jump on into the box. But you know what? Before we do that, I want to read the note from my stylist. She says, "Hi Sharetta, happy April to you. Let's start things off with the West Key blouse. I chose this blouse because you like more fitted styles. This will be terrific to wear at your office job on business casual days with the white jeans you kept from fix number 3. I read you like to wear black, so I added the chic Tracy top that is perfect to pair with slacks and cute heels. I was inspired by the distressed jeans on your Fix inspiration board to choose the can jeans that can also coordinate with either top. Since you are open to dresses, I also added the Fortune Ivy dress to wear with heels on date nights. Let's add a splash of color to your ensembles with the street level bag. I read that you like totes, and this one really popped. Enjoy unwrapping this Fix Sharetta stylishly yours, Christina." So that was the note for my stylist, and I think that's a different stylist from last time. Seems like every time they send me a Fix, I have a different stylist. The first item I want to start with is this beautiful mustard colored tote, and it also has a clutch with it that has a little tassel on it. And it is really nice, guys. I hope you can see that. It has a magnetic closure for the clutch and also for the tote. And inside is really, really spacious. The cost of this tote is $64. This would be great for a casual look, even to take down to the beach. If you don't want to take the whole tote, you can always pull out the clutch, and it would be great with a spring dress or a casual outfit, you know, if you're going to the movies or on a date night. So this tote is very versatile, and I really, really love this mustard color. So the next item is the Tracy top, and it's in black. As you see, it has a gold zipper up front. It also has some gold detailing right here, 3/4 sleeves. As it stated in the style card, you can wear it, you know, business casual, or you can wear it a little dressier with a pair of slacks. On the style card, they have it paired with some jeans and some animal print shoes and a clutch. So if you wanted to style it with the tote, you could always just remove the clutch and carry it. That would be a nice look. They also have a style with some dressier pants, with some low heel pumps, and a black bag. So those are the two options that they give you for this top. In the video, you will see me style it with some jeans, with the jeans that came in the fix. I am going to be styling the pieces for you guys. So this is a really cute, versatile blouse. The next item is this dress here. It has the scallop sleeves. It is a mini dress. You will not see me styling this dress. It is a beautiful dress. It would be great for a date night or a wedding, something like that. But it did not fit. It is a size medium. I probably need a size large. This is a beautiful dress, guys, but it just didn't fit me. So I didn't feel comfortable styling it because it did not fit. It was a little too small. The cost of this dress was $58. The next item is another blouse, and it is really pretty. I think they call this color Cobalt. Has a beautiful pattern, and I have a similar blouse to this, and I really do love it. It is a blouse that you would tie in front, but the one that I have, I tied in the front and in the back. I paired with jeans, and I also paired with black slacks when I'm wearing it to work. It has cuff sleeves. It's a really nice blouse, guys, and like I said, I do have one similar to this, and I really love it. The cost of this Westkeep blouse is $44, and then the only other item that I have are the jeans. They come with a little distress on the back, have some distressing on the knees there, and some distressing on the hem, and they are size 30, which is like a 10. Come in a light blue denim, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. Every jean that they sent me fit really well. They was just a little too pricey. These are, the cost of these jeans are $58, so that's not too bad. And as you see from the video, they did fit really nice. So that was it, guys, for everything that I received in this fix. Please comment down below which item you like best on me and which one you think I should keep. If you enjoy videos like this, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.